Alright, we're gonna get our tube ready. So we're gonna use the hole on the side of the caulking gun, and you put it at an angle. You cut it at an angle like that. That way you end up with a mitered edge on your caulking gun. Well, for baseboard you don't really need that. And then you're gonna use, caulking gun comes with a little poke thing, so you're gonna stick it in there on the tip of the caulking gun, and you're just gonna poke the plastic that's inside there. Now the tube is ready to use. Insert the tube. Now we're ready to go.